Hey everyone, this is Jonathan, our youth minister here at St. John's, and you might be wondering about how to access the live web feed of the upcoming Mass, the live stream that we're doing. So I wanted to give you a quick tutorial about how to do that. So if you're watching this video, hopefully you can figure it out. First thing you need to do is going to go to the St. John's website. So you're going to go up here, you're going to type in stjohnhowell.com. You're going to go to that website, and it should take you to this website right here. And I'm going to log out because I was just working on some stuff on the website here. Up at the top right here, you're going to see that says Live Stream of Mass. You're going to click on that. And you're going to see a couple things on here. First of all, you're going to see a countdown to the next upcoming Mass right up here. It's not currently working for some reason, but we'll get that fixed here in a moment. And then right down here is where you're going to see the live stream of Mass itself. Now, there's the countdown right there. This will only go live when our first Mass happens. So right now when I'm recording this, that's going to be at 4 p.m. on Saturday. So you can watch it live as it happens. But if you miss it, it's going to be okay, because on here I'm going to post a link to our YouTube account where you're going to be able to see the recording of it. And if you go here, and let's say it's not available right now, you can go to this little button right here that says Previous Broadcasts. You're going to click on that. And right now there's no previous broadcast found because there isn't any available. But after we post or do the first live stream, you'll be able to see those on there. So you can go back and watch it as a family, even if it's not at that 4 p.m. time on Saturdays. So you could watch it later Saturday evening or early Sunday morning at your convenience. We all appreciate the fact that we're all struggling with this without being able to go to Mass, and we hope that this is going to provide you guys some comfort and a way to still connect with our community and, of course, with Jesus. There's lots of resources online about how to attend Masses via live stream, and it'd be a great addition to your prayer life during this time. So we're all praying for you here over at St. John's. Pray for us, please, as we continue to move through this with you. And thank you very much.